Very good morning. Am I audible?
Good morning, sir. Yes,
Hi,
sir, you are
Gauri.
audible.
Yes,
Hi,
thank
sir.
you. Thanks for the confirmation. So with this Galaxy C7, can you just rename your actual name?
Hi Parag, good morning.
With this Galaxy C7?
This is Shrikesh.
Srikesh. Okay, hi Srikesh. Just rename so that we can easily able to understand who are you, right?
Okay.
So just right click and rename the name, or you can log out and whenever you connect,
हाँ.
you will have
Yeah.
option.
Just leave me this meeting and again connect me. So
Sure. You can disconnect and rejoin with your name. So let's wait other to join. So after that we will start. Okay.
Sure, sir.
So we still have a 4 to 5 minutes. So let's wait other to join.
yeah, sure. Parag, you proper from Ahmedabad, correct?
Yes, I am from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Yes.
Okay. I had seen many blogs from you, and the things are like such good. Also, I had set up one meeting on 6th of July.
Correct. Yes. That is one-to-one meeting we will do. Yes.
Yes, sure.
So you will get the separate Zoom meeting invite for that. Okay. Like this one.
Okay.
And we will discuss everything. Okay. So this is today's main agenda is a hackathon. Okay. So,
Yeah.
and then after that we will discuss everything.
Yeah, sure. So how many members are there going to join?
Yeah, so as of now, I think total registration was around 13, right?
Okay.
But some of the people, they have that plan work for their own company, right? So they have some
Yes.
activities. So I got one or two mails, they will not join, but they already confirmed that they are going to join, right? So,
Okay.
so we'll start around 11:05. Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. We'll wait for the other colleagues also.
Sure. Hi, Naveen. Hi, Varun. What's up? Hi, Varun. Hi, Naveen.
Yeah, hi Parag.
Hi,
Good morning.
Jaideep. Good morning to all.
Hi, Parag. Good morning.
So we will start around after 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, just wait for other to join. So as of now, six DBAs already joined. Srikesh, Gauri, Jaideep, Naveen, Sanjeev, and Varun. So can somebody confirm, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, Parag.
Okay,
Yes,
thank you.
Parag.
Yes, yes, we are able to see.
Thank you. Thanks for the confirmation. Hi, Samira. Who is this?
Good morning, Parag.
Are you Samira? Who is this?
And I'm Karthik. Actually, this is my wife's account, but
Okay, okay. So, okay. So you can rename it to Karthik, not a issue, right? You
I'll
can
do
log out.
that. I'll do that. Okay, I'll log off and I'll re-log in. Is
Correct,
that
correct,
okay?
correct. Yes, yes, definitely. Go ahead.
Sure. Thank you.
Hi, Harinder. Hi, Fahad.
Hi, Parag.
So we are starting in a minute, okay?
Oh,
Hello, everyone.
Hi,
Hi, good morning.
good morning to all. Is this Harinder, right?
Parag, I'm Harinder.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks for the. So, okay, so now we will start. I think around 9 people, 9 DBAs are already joined. Okay, so we are starting. So let's start. Okay, so first of all, thank you very much for joining this hackathon. This is my first hackathon, batch number 1. Okay, so we are all connected in LinkedIn, right? So thanks for your time and everything, right? So we will go through the agenda one by one and then we will discuss everything. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so see, this is the agenda for today's meeting. Okay, so I will start with my introduction, small story. Then I will speak out your name and you need to give your introduction. There will be the format for that. Then I will discuss the hackathon rules, right? Then I will discuss the hackathon problem statement. Then we will start the hackathon. We will start the timer for 15 minutes. You need to solve that problem, right? And whoever will be the winner, they will provide the demo how you did it, right? And I will tell you how to claim the bonus, right? So we will have one ebook for Microsoft employee, right, that I am going to share, but there is a process to claim that thing, right? And after that I will share the 3 secrets of life, that okay, means how you can do well in your career, how to proceed further. And last but not least, thank you slide. Okay, so let's start with my introduction. Okay, so see, my name is Parag Patel. I am from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I was working in IBM, right? So my total experience is around 14 years, right? And I left my IBM job in April 2020. Reason is that I have applied for my skill visa that is called Australia Skill Visa. And as a proactive DBA, I already resigned from my job and I'm waiting for the visa. So that visa is about to come in month of March 2020. But instead of visa, we got the COVID. So instead of roll back my resignation, I decided to continue with my resignation and decided that I will start something new other than job. So since last 1 year, I'm doing mentorship, coaching. I have learned how to develop the website. I learn digital marketing. I learn SEO, so many things I learn. So whatever I know as a salary person, that is all about SQL DBA. But other than that, because of this, my entrepreneur journey, I learned so many new things since last 1 year. I have registered my company called Personal Growth Unlimited. So I registered that. I have my GST number, right? And I work with IBM, Tech Mahindra, Capgemini, and Finopaytech. So before Ahmedabad, I was in Pune, right? So that is my introduction. And now this is the agenda, right? So we will call everyone names who is available, and you have to give your introduction in this manner, right? Your name, your city location, whether you have taken that COVID vaccine or not, that is healthy, right? And then total number of BBA experience, your current company, and why you are here, or what motivate you. Okay, so I'm starting from the Mohammad Afruddin. Afruddin, are you there? You can unmute and start giving your introduction if you are available. I don't think so. Yes, I think Afruddin is yet to join. Not a issue. Okay, we have Nidhi here. Okay, I think Nidhi mentioned that she will not join. So we have Varun. Varun, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Yes. So very good morning. You can give your introduction with this performer template. Tell me, Varun. Am I audible? Varun, are you there?
Event because I want to be learn new things or new things from the experience point of view. I think as Patel said, he has 14 years experience in database administration and as well as other things as. So I want to be learn something from all of you guys, and as well as I want to give something whatever I learned in my AD experience.
Okay, so Varun, I think
Thank you.
initially your voice is not audible. So can you tell me, means which city you are calling from?
Hello.
Yes, Varun.
So okay. So I'm audible or
Yes. Now you are audible, but initially you were on mute.
okay, sorry, guys. Again, I'll start from the.
Yes.
Yeah, my name is Varun Kumar Singh. I'm from Delhi. I have taken the COVID vaccine. Yes, total year experience in IT and as well as database administration 8+. And current company is Accenture. And why I'm here and also why I joined this event to gain some knowledge from you guys because you are all experienced guys, and also I'll give some whatever I learned in my all 8 years experience journey, so I want to be give to all of them. So and also this is an event, so here we can be test learn all the things, so that's why I joined this event. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Varun. Thank you. Okay, so next is Naveen. Naveen, are you there? You can open
Yeah.
your mic.
Yeah.
So good
Am I
morning.
audible?
Yes,
Yeah, good morning.
you are audible. Yes, good morning, Naveen. Speak up.
Yeah. So good morning, guys. My name is Naveen Dalal, and I live in New Delhi. And I have not taken the COVID vaccine because I was infected with COVID in April.
Oh,
So for 3-4 months, I am not supposed to take the vaccine. And I'm having 5+ years of experience as a SQL DBA. And my current company is Verlasoft. And why am I here today? Because to learn something new from the experienced DBAs and see where I stand or where I put my experience into this. Thank you.
okay, Naveen. Thank you. Okay, so next one is Gauri. Gauri, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You can call me Parag only, not right?
Okay, Parag. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, Parag. So my name is Gauri. Currently, I'm in Bangalore. So I'm from Bangalore location. Yes, I have taken the COVID vaccine. First dose is completed. Coming to my experiences, I have 6+ years of experience, and my current company is Boeing India Limited. And why I'm here is, so I used to follow your LinkedIn quiz. It was very good for me, and I'm here to learn the new things from you and other DBAs to learn new things. Yeah, that's it, Parag, from my side.
Okay, thank you, Gauri. Okay, so do we have Satya? I don't think so. He's available because he got, okay, not an issue. So next one is Jaideep. Are you there, right?
Yeah, hi Parag, hi everyone. This is Jaydeep. Basically, I'm from Hyderabad. I have taken COVID vaccine the last 10 days back, and I have 3 years of experience as a DBA. Currently, I'm working with the Wipro. Why I'm here is I followed the Parag in 3-4 months back onwards. I'm following is in LinkedIn, and daily questions what they are asking and comments. So to learn the new things, I joined here. This is the thing.
Thank you, Jaideep. Thank you.
Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you.
So next is Jaideep. Jaideep, are you there? Okay, I think you are Jaideep, right? Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So next, Sanjeev is there.
Yes.
Yes,
Uh,
Sanjeev.
and hi all. My name is Sanjeev. I am from Hyderabad, and I have 4 years of experience in SQL DBA. I'm currently working in Accenture. I have done my first dose. So
Okay,
why I
good.
came here is like I'm confusing which technology I need to learn. So apart from SQL DBA, so hopefully we can discuss. And for the job, like for the job change, also I'm looking for other jobs. So if these two kind of I can learn something from these two kinds, so that I have joined here.
Okay, Sanjeev. Okay, so see, Sanjeev, I just want to clear this is related to hackathon, right? So today I will give one problem and you need to solve. But if you want to discuss something else, we will have a separate session for that. I will send you
Okay.
link. Okay, so
Okay.
we will have that Zoom session for separate.
Okay.
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 Okay. So do we have Prashant over there? Hi, Prashant. Prashant, you can unmute. Hi, Prashant. Prashant, are you there? I think you are not audible, Prashant.
Hello.
Yes, Prashant, you can speak up.
Yeah, my name is Prashant. I am working in Capgemini since last 7 years. I have total 10+ years of experience in as a DBA. I took my first dose of COVID shield. I basically here to learn new things or to brush up things.
Okay, Prashant. Okay, thank you. So do we have Karthik, right?
Yes, Parag. So good morning
morning.
and good morning, everybody. So I'm Karthik. As mentioned, I'm a SQL DBA with an overall experience of like 7.5 years. Currently, I'm working with DealerSocket, and I am from Vizag, but currently I'm working from Bangalore, Bangalore. So, and I have taken my first dose of Covaxin.
Good.
And the reason for joining this is I felt like this is a good opportunity to meet with random DBAs from across the country. And certainly there will be new things that we are going to learn today. So, and this is my first hackathon, and I'm excited to see where I am when competing with random DBAs.
Correct.
None of them are known to me. So this is a thrilling experience for me.
Awesome. Thanks for sharing. Okay.
Yeah.
So do we have Fahad? I think Mr. Khan, are you there? Okay, I think he left. Not a issue. So next is Harinder. Are you there? You can speak up.
Yeah. Hi, Parag.
Hi.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. This is Harinder Chauhan. I am basically from Navsari, Gujarat.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah. I started my first job as a software engineer, a software support engineer at Ahmedabad. And my previous organization was a Fox Technology. Then after I have just saw the market value. There is a lot of value as a DBA. We can grow our career as a DBA. That's why I'm shifting my job title from support engineer to DBA. And
Good.
I have a total 4 years of experience, and as a DBA, I have a 2 years of experience.
Okay.
And right now, I have changed my organization, and still I'm working as to the eTech Global Solution. It's
Okay.
located in Gandhinagar.
Okay.
And no, I haven't take a vaccine COVID, because I'm just planning to take it after 1 or 2 weeks.
Okay. Okay.
And I'm here because of Parag. I have follow you into the LinkedIn, and because some of the time you posted some database or quiz contest or that kind of thing. That's
Correct.
really helped me to gain my knowledge. And that's why I'm here to improve my knowledge as a DBA, because still I have 2 years of experience. There's a lot of things I had to learn in this field. So I think this is a good platform to grow my career and improve my knowledge.
Correct. Correct. Okay. Thank you, Harinder.
Yeah.
Thanks for your time. Okay. So we have last one, Srikesh. Hi, Srikesh. You can speak up.
Hi, Parag. Hi, team. Myself, Shrikesh. My location is, I'm from Mumbai. I had taken the COVID vaccine first dose. My overall experience, I have 6 years, 6 months. And the current company name where I'm working is Capgemini. Why I am here is I had followed Parag profile. Just the thing, I want to learn new things in DBA. And I want to gain my knowledge also. That's it.
Great. Great. Okay. So all DBS. So we are good to go, right? So now let's check if anyone left. Okay. So I think Fawad is not there. Okay. So currently we have 9 DBS are there, including me. It's a 10 DBA. Okay. So let's. Okay. So now we will have a rules. Okay. So see here. Now here is the rule. So see, I will give you one problem statement, right? So you can Google search whatever you want. You will have 15 minutes, right? So tell me, means out of all DBS, are you ready with the lab environment?
Yes.
How many are?
Yes, Parag.
Yes, Parag.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So thanks for the confirmation. Okay. So what we will do, let's start. I will give you the problem statement. Okay. So see, here the problem statement is logical read, right? So what will happen? You have to reduce the logical read. That's the problem statement. So I will give you the query and everything. So there will be sample. You have to create one sample table. Okay. That is the first thing. Then I will send you query to insert 1 lakh row, right? And after that, I will send you one query with where condition, right? And I will show you that, okay, this is the logical read for this particular query. And now your task is to reduce. So you have to do whatever you want, right? So your aim is, means out of 9 DBS, you have to come up with your solution. You can do whatever you want, Google search, use your experience, everyone. And whenever you're ready, I will start the timer for 15 minutes. And when you're done, you can message me in chat window that, okay, I'm done. And once everyone done, we will check them. Means you have to send that logical read count to me, right? And then who is the nearest to that, then you need to share your screen and you need to show the practical things as a demo. So everyone is clear?
Yes.
Any doubts? Anyone?
No.
So good to go?
Yes.
Okay, so I am
Yes.
sharing queries and everything to chat window. Okay. And after that, I will start the timer. Okay. So give me a moment. I am sharing that everything to you over chat window. So first I am giving a.
Parag, is it okay if you don't have the lab environment?
It's okay. Yet you can search whatever you want and you
Yeah,
can come
sure.
up with the solution, right? I
Yeah,
understand.
sure.
Right? So
Yeah.
everyone has a different. So I am sending one query, right? First query is create table. So I have sent the query. You can copy paste and you can copy to your notepad file. So that is the first thing. And second, I am giving a insert table script to insert 1 lakh rows. Okay, so just save it. Don't start anything. I will show you first in my laptop and the logical read and everything, and then you have to start. But first, just ready with this thing. So I'm sending third one. That is a where condition query. So please confirm everyone that have you received these all 3 script? I need confirmation from everyone.
Yes, Parag.
Okay, good. So now I'm sharing my screen. I'm sharing my lab environment. Okay. And I will show you what you have to do and what you can achieve from that. Okay. So are you able to see my screen, right? That SSMS, everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So here the first thing. So I am just creating a table called hackathon, right? There is a first name, last name, and country. So I have executed that script. That is the first one. Second one is I am inserting 1 lakh rows in this particular table, right? This is okay, 1 lakh row inserted. And now this is the query, and I will show you the logical read, right? And your task is to reduce. So I am sharing that thing, right? Okay, so here the logical read is 477, right? Now, so your task is to reduce this one, right? So that we have less CPU impact, right? So I am starting a timer, and you can start that thing. Once that timer start, you have to start that thing, and you can start solving that problem. Start. Everyone ready? Just give confirmation.
Yeah, ready.
Yes, Parag. We are going.
Okay, go ahead and start solving this. And after 15 minutes, we will meet. Okay, I'm there. You can do whatever you want to research. And if you have any doubts, don't speak, just message me over the chat window so that other will not disturb. Best of luck. We have 5 minutes. 5 minutes to go. One and a half minutes to go. 30 seconds. Time is up. Time is up. Now, okay, so you can stop whatever you are doing, or if you are middle of that thing, you can continue, right? So I will ask everyone, you can message me your logical read count. Okay, I think I got a reply from Prasant. Okay, so anyone
Can
else?
we,
Yes, tell me.
can we type here or private?
No, you can message me individually, right? Your logical
Sure.
read count, you have to mention whatever
Sure.
you have done. Even if you don't done, just mention me. Okay, that's
Sure.
completely fine. No worries. We learn from each other.
That's all. Yeah.
So, hi.
Yes.
Hi, Parag. Yeah,
Yes.
Parag. So, should I send the screenshot?
No. See, first send the logical read count to me individually, right? And after that, I will make you host who is the winner or whatever it is, right? So I'm getting an answer that, okay, Prasant did for 200. Then
No. I think this is me, Varun, 247.
okay, no, I'm just reading everyone chat box. Okay.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Okay, so I got reply from, okay, Sanjeev don't have any lab. It's okay, Sanjeev, it's completely fine. Okay, I got reply from Varun. It's a 247. And then Gauri using covering index, it's a 274. Karthik 300. So current that lowest is 247 is there, 332 from Harinder. So anyone with less than 247, anyone? You can speak up. Naveen has 400. So Varun has 247. Hi Varun, can you open your mic?
Yes.
Okay, so anyone with below that 247? So Varun, I am just making you host, okay? And now you have to show how you did it, okay?
Okay.
So I am just making you host and you can start sharing your screen. Now you are host now.
Okay.
232.
Okay, 232. Who is this?
Prashant.
Awesome. Okay.
Then the Prashant.
Okay, so not a issue. Prasant, I am making you host. Okay, so Varun, you can get back to me. Means okay. So do one thing. I have to take on your. Just assign me that. Just try to make me host again, because now you are host, so I'm not able to claim. So just right click over my name and just click on that. Make host.
Chat and pin. I'm not getting any other option. Chat
Okay,
and
so do one thing under my name, right? There is option called more, right? So when you go to my name, there is option called more. So in more, you have to right click there and make me host. Okay, I think you have done, right?
yeah.
Okay, so that what is that count? Prasant, right?
Yeah.
Yes, Prasant. So I am just making you host. Okay, now you are host. Share your screen and show us how you did it. Step by step, right? Share your screen first.
Yeah, host disabled participant screen sharing.
Okay.
I'm getting the message.
Okay, so now I have stopped my screen. You can start sharing your screen.
No, I am getting the same error.
But see, now you are host, right?
Yeah.
Just try one more time. So now I am not sharing anything.
Okay. Host disabled participant screen sharing. I'm getting this message.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think what to do. Let me check. Okay, I reclaimed the host and now I'm checking why it's not hashing. Okay, so I'm checking the setting, why it's not coming. Okay, so give me some time. So Prasan, just try one more time.
Getting same.
Same message.
Yes.
Oh, is it? What happened? I don't know why this is happening. Because I checked the setting, I also enable that thing.
Okay. I think you need to make my above ID. Me participant Prashant Aute. You need to make that as a host.
Okay, so okay, current your
I-
name is okay, got it. So you have joined with two option.
Yes, laptop and
Okay,
phone
okay.
also.
So I have to reclaim that. Let me
Yeah.
reclaim that. Okay, got it. So I think because of that. Okay, sorry. Let it be. All okay. Now I am. Hold for a second. I'm checking that option. Okay, I'm not able to reclaim. Okay, now I'm reclaim and I'm again. Now try Prasant.
Yeah.
So can you able to share screen now? Option
Yes.
open, right? Okay,
Yes.
good. Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
Right.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, we can. So see, everyone, please check this. How? Okay, so you can explain step by step, right?
Yeah. First of all, I have created the cluster index on ID. The IDs here are unique, so I have taken that as a cluster index, and I have created one index on. Let me show you. One index in non-cluster index on country, and I have taken included the columns ID and first name in that. The cluster index on ID. Okay, now I am checking.
So okay, so Prasan, do one thing, just remove everything, right? So delete that non-cluster and cluster index and give that demo. And you can
Okay.
save that screen so that people will understand everything from scratch.
Okay. Now I'm removing cluster, non-cluster. Okay, now I'm checking.
Okay, so what is the count?
Let's say,
Just scroll down. Yes. So current scroll. Okay, logical ready is 504. Okay. What is next step?
now I will create a cluster index on ID.
Okay.
Or I will
Perfect.
create, yeah. if I check now.
Okay, so after that, okay, that is executing. What is the logical read? I think you did something.
I think one more time it is executed above part. So now it is double record.
Okay, okay, okay. Got it, got it.
Yeah.
Prasad, you use a master database instead of this one.
Yes,
Correct,
yes.
correct. Yes, that is the thing.
Yeah, I have created the database. I have started work on master view, no problem. But once I create non-cluster also with the ordering, first I will check keep the where condition object, then ID and first name. I will move up the where condition part and other things ID and first name. I also tried included part in ID and first name, but it is show you 275. But if I
Okay,
use ID and first name here only, covering index, if I use, it will reduce the logical read to.
correct, correct. Yes, so that is the learning part, right? So here, what Prasan did is, first he created a cluster index, then cluster index on ID, right? Then non-cluster index on country, correct, Prasan?
Yes.
And then you have created covering index. That is also called included, right? Included column.
No, when I do the included, it will show 275.
Okay.
Then I have removed from included column. I have added in same non-cluster index, but ordering will be where condition first,
Okay.
then included this select columns.
Okay. So
It
in
will,
correct, correct. So in that means, can you show me that screen means how you added that in included column, right? So actually, when you double click, there is option, right?
yeah.
Because
I have tried this. It will show 275.
Okay.
Okay, then I have removed it from included. I have added it here, but ordering is where condition first, then the select column table. Columns.
Okay, okay, okay.
It will reduce to 230.
Good, good, good. Okay, okay, okay. So anyone has any other explanation? You can speak up.
Hi, Prasant. Can you please show me the script of this non-cluster index? Yeah.
Just right click and script indexes. So anyone has any doubt?
Hello.
Yes, who is this? Hi, who is this? Is this Prasant?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So
Yeah, hello.
Varun, Sanjeev, Naveen, Karthik, Jaideep, any doubts?
Yeah, Parag, I have a doubt. Harinder here.
Yes, Adna, tell me.
Yeah, I just need to know okay, in this covering index in which you call it included column, right?
Correct.
Which column you have include in this included column? Means it's ID or first name?
ID and first name.
ID and first name we can use in a
Yes,
included column.
correct. So see, normally what happen in included column, whatever is there in select, right?
Yeah.
Understand? When
Okay.
you open that thing, you will see two things. In included column and key index, right?
Okay, right.
So whatever is in where condition, that will be key or key column. And whatever is a included column, that is in select column. Got it?
Okay.
So
Okay.
this is how you can reduce the logical read. But whenever we have that performance tuning part, this is how you have to tune the query. So you have to check the query first.
Yeah, right.
Right? Anyone has any doubt?
Hi. The Prasant told right, like he he was mentioned the order, right? So it is really impact the performance by this order. Like he mentioned the where condition the first, like country first, then ID first name, right? So
Correct.
this order also will impact any performance.
No, see, our aim is to reduce the logical read, right? So the thing is that understand, whenever we have logical read count is high, just imagine that we have production server, right? And we have number of queries are going. So our goal is to reduce the logical read so that we can, our CPU and RAM, everything will be less, right? So in order to achieve this thing, we have to do this thing. Got it? So there is no impact.
No, no. See, he was like mentioned like first he was the country, the next ID and first name, right? So this order anything important to us, by this order only we need to mention something like that.
So you are talking about order, right? So no.
Yes.
Whatever is order is there, right? So see, Prasant, are you there? Can you answer this?
Yes, actually query processing work like that way only. First, it will check for where condition. From where condition, it will go to select statement. So
Correct.
accordingly, you should design. Yeah.
Correct. So normally, see, in some of the interview, they will ask you whenever we run the query, which statement will execute first, right? So you have answer, right? So first it will check the where condition, and then last it will check the select and everything.
Now I got it. Thank you.
Yeah, Prashant, one thing. So here you just use the like for the non-cluster index, you created like index in the index key column. You have just used country name, and in the include columns you use the your ID and first name. Is it? Or you can use
I have
all the columns in the index key column only.
Yeah, I have tried both, but I have seen that when I add it in the included column, that cost is
high.
increased.
Yeah.
Right. So I have make it in one column. I have arranged the order that where condition first, then select columns.
Yes.
It will reduce it to.
Got it. Because what I did, I just use the country name in the index key column. Okay. In the include column, in the covering index, I use the ID and first name. Okay. So then my count will be logical count will be 247. Okay. So now you used all the columns in the only cluster, non-cluster index, like index key column.
Right.
Yeah. Got it. Yeah. It's a hit and trial method, I think so.
Yeah, it
Yes,
is.
exactly. So whenever we have performance tuning part, right? So it's not that
Yes,
every problem has a one solution, right? You have to try. So that is why. So my intention is that you have to see Prasant did it to 200 count, right? So it's completely okay if you can able to do it to 250. But our ultimate goal is that you should know how to do step by step, right? So if because see. In LinkedIn, people are just messaging, Para, I'm not good in performance tuning, right? So whenever they ask something in interview, they are not able to answer the question, right? So here you have a idea that how you can answer the question, how to figure it out, where to go, right? So
yes. Yeah. I totally understand. Yeah, I totally agree with Prashant and all. Like Prashant first did use the covering and all the index, and then he checked logical count is not reduced so much. Then he tried one more time with the another way. Then logical count is come to the 232 something, 233. Yeah, I'm totally agree with. This
So
is a hit and trial method. Yeah.
Varun, what is the least? What is the logical rates that you got now?
247.
247.
Okay. What about Pratap?
232 Pratap and 247 Mike.
Okay, now I got 229.
Oh, great.
Who is this?
I'm Karthik.
Karthik, sure. Okay, so I'm making you host. Show me.
Sure.
Karthik, yes, now you are host now. And share your screen and give step-by-step explanation to everyone so that we can learn from you. So I'm stop sharing. You can share your screen.
Yeah. So do you see my screen?
Yes. All good. Go ahead.
So mine is also a little similar, but I got 229. I'll show you what I did.
Okay.
So I've created two things. One is a clustered index on.
Okay.
a clustered index and unique on ID.
Okay.
This is a little slow. Okay, so it's on ID,
Correct.
clustered and unique.
Okay.
This is one thing. And then because we are sure like it is always unique, and then the non-clustered index I have created on country,
Correct.
because this is where we are,
Where
as
condition.
as
Yes,
Varun
yes.
Pratap mentioned, this is where we are applying the where clause. And
Correct.
then I've
Index
included
call.
2 columns in the same order of the select query, ID
Exactly.
and first name.
Correct. Correct.
So this is where I have gone with.
Okay. So your count
Great,
is
great.
70,000,
229.
right? That
229. 229.
no, 229 is a logical lead, but your
Yeah,
host
See,
count is
70,000.
70,000.
Yes.
Okay.
Great. Like you just use like great. You just use unique index and then your account will be
Correct.
great,
So
great.
that's the
Correct.
new learning, right? So you can make
Yes.
in cluster index, we can make it to unique, and it
Yeah.
will reduce further
Yes.
also.
Yes.
So
Correct.
actually our count is just 1 lakh records.
Right.
If this count is like 1 million, then we see furthermore reduction in the reads.
Correct. Good.
Yeah, what I understand from the unique index, what I learned and something from the unique index. In the index, use please correct me if I'm wrong or something. Suppose let's see if we have suppose first name and last name. Okay, if you want to be check the unique way, like first name, last name, then we can be use the unique index. Is I'm right, or is there any other way?
Oh, come again, Varun, please.
Suppose let's see if I'm taking one example. Suppose we have one column where we have a first name and last name. Okay, so we want to apply the cluster index on that particular column. So we want unique first name and last name should be unique. So then we can be use the unique. I'm just giving them. Then we can unique index. Is that
that's
right or
how
wrong?
that's how it is. But based on when we go with names, there is every possibility that there may be a duplication. But if we go with IDs, there is no duplication. It can be an identity key also. So
yes.
mostly we cannot advise a unique
On first
on
name,
the
last name.
Yeah.
Correct. Yeah. So we should always go with the ID only, right? So that's why, right? So there is no need to go with the first name, last name, make it unique, right?
No, first like some of the condition there, no, like sometimes like if some of the condition, like suppose my name is Varun saying something. Okay. Some maybe I'm not getting the condition now. So some of the condition where we need to be put the unique both of the column. Some of the condition where we need to be put.
Okay. Yeah. See, for example, we have decided to not to repeat an employee with the same name. For example.
Yes.
So in that case, yes, we can obviously go with applying unique.
Yes.
And we have one Varun already in the team, and we don't want another Varun because we don't want to any confusion in the team. So in that case, yes, if a new Varun comes, it will fail.
Yes. Yeah. Totally agree. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have good session, right?
Yes, it is.
Right. So I think everyone learn from each other and we grow, right? So you can stop sharing, Karthik.
Yeah.
Right. So that, and you can make me host.
Do I need to? Okay.
No, I will reclaim. Okay, not an issue.
Sure.
Okay, now you can. Okay, good. Now I will share my screen. Okay, so everyone, all good?
Yes.
Right. So see, now it's time. So our winner is Karthik. Right. So Karthik, I will connect you and I will provide you prize and everything. Okay.
Sure.
So there will be separate prize for you, but there is another prize that is for everyone. Okay. So see, how many of you know the Bob Ward?
Yes, we know him.
Correct. So he is the only one that he designed SQL Server, right? We can say since I think the first version, I think he is currently in Microsoft since I think more than 27 years, right? So he released one book for Azure, right? So I'm going to give you that book for everyone, okay, in our Google Drive, right? So in order to claim that book, what you have to do is, right? So you just need to give a feedback on this LinkedIn recommendation, Okay, so once you submit that your feedback, how this hackathon is and everything, or 2-3 lines, okay, and once you submit that thing, and I will send email to you, that Google Drive link to you in your email. Is everyone okay with this?
Yes, Parag.
All good?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
last part is, okay, so this is all about SQL and everything. And I just want to share some of the things so that we can learn new things, right? So 3 secret of life. So, right, so first one is, see, discipline and consistency only matters, right? So tell me, means out of all DBS, anyone is going to gym currently?
Not currently.
No, means currently means have you ever done?
Yes, we do.
Right, so see, in gym, if you want to reduce your weight, or if you want to make a 6-pack app, whatever it is, right, so you have to be in discipline and consistency, right? Then only you can achieve. So that is the first part, right? So if you want to achieve anything, so remember these things. So discipline and consistency is the only thing that matters. Even if you are not perfect, that is fine, right? That's completely fine. But if you do this discipline and consistency, you can achieve whatever you want, right? And second part is action and motivation. Because see, everyone is talking about motivation, right? So I'm motivated by this, motivated by that. But if you don't take action, nothing will work, right? So ultimately action is there. Because see, one of my friends told me that, Parag, why don't you arrange hackathon, right? So he's just giving a suggestion, but he's not implementing, right? But myself did an action, right? So as a SQL DBA in my career, I never did this thing. But in order to achieve something, because first time we always scared, right? Means what if the case, if I ask me, no one will join, what will happen, right? So because currently we have, means till now we have 13 DBA, they join, right? So
Correct.
you have to take action. And third one is, see, everyone, because we have Google and YouTube, so we are learning so many things, right? So in YouTube, we have one video, how to become billionaire, but no one is become billionaire, right? You have to do experiment, right? So practical way. So that is why this hackathon, you show us the practical way how to reduce the logical read, right? So if you can understand this thing, and if you apply in your project, your production server, whether it's an interview, whatever it is, so it will have impact, correct?
True.
Right? So anyone has any question? We are about to close this session.
No. Yeah.
All
Thank you.
good? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so I will
Yes.
send the recommendation to you, right? So you have to get back to me, and then I will share the screen. Okay, I will share that ebook to you. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks. Thanks,
Okay.
Parag, and thank you
Thank
all.
you, Parag.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you all.
Thank you
Bye
all.
bye to all.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Bye.
Great, thank you.
Thank you all.
Bye bye Karthik. Bye bye Naveen.
Bye bye.
Bye bye Varun.
Bye, Parag.
Bye bye.
Bye bye Gauri.
Thank you.
Bye,
Prasant.
Parag.
Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you.